So here are some of the pendant lamps that can change its shape and intensity of light with a simple pull of strings. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here is another vlog of the IKEA Bangalore complete tour part 2. Well, if you haven't watched the IKEA Bangalore complete tour part 1, I'll leave the link to the video in the description below. You can also access it in the iCard above at the end of the video. IKEA was started in Sweden in 1943 that designs and sells ready-to-assemble furnitures, kitchen appliances, and home accessories along with other goods and home services. IKEA is open on all days from Monday to Friday, 10 am to 10 pm, and the Swedish restaurant is open from 9:30 am to 9:30 pm. I've also made a review on the Swedish restaurant experience at IKEA. I'll leave the link to the video in the description as well. Please do watch it. Please ask for the handouts to the staff around to ease on navigation from one section to another. Follow the numbered signboard to find exactly what you're looking for. So in this vlog, I'll be showing you the market hall at level 1, which also includes the kids play area, billing area, collection point, and Swedish bistro. There are also shortcuts to move from one section to another. As you can see, the crowd is more during the weekends and has a longer waiting time, so it's better to avoid it now or try visiting it on a weekday. There are plenty of options for plates and glassware. Here are some of the glasses made up of tempered glass, which makes it more durable and adds extra resistance to the impact. There are also folks out here who can actually support with the planning and installation of your new kitchen. Curtains at IKEA comes with fun, flair and functionality of fabrics. Choose from the various options to fit your desires with different curtain designs right here. So here is the textile section where you can pick up cushion covers, bedspreads, towels and so on. There are numerous options on display, so you really can choose the best one that you like. So here is everything that you need for your kitchen and dining. There are also folks out there who can actually support with the planning and installation of your new kitchen. Here you can see a different concept of kitchen and dining area. Here you can see some of the racks and hangings with a compact kitchen concept. Another concept of kitchen cum dining space. Kitchen planning specialists at IKEA can help you plan your perfect kitchen. And here are some of the table mats that can protect the tabletop surface and reduce the noise from the plates and cutlery, and can be purchased at a very reasonable price too. So here is the flexible LED lamp. You can easily direct the light where you want it because the lamp arm and the head are adjustable. Induction hob and some storage boxes here at a very reasonable price. You can pick one up while you're shopping. So there is also a section for home organization. You can find plenty of storage options, stands and racks at a very reasonable price. So you can check it out here. The lighting section at IKEA is huge and beautiful. There are endless varieties of lights that you can choose from. So here is some decorative floor lamp that spreads the warm and soft light through a tube-shaped white textile shade. And here are some floor lamps. So here are some of the pendant lamps that can change its shape and intensity of light with a simple pull of strings. The IKEA store is very huge. Be prepared for a long tiring day. If you intend to just do shopping, you can go directly to level 1 and complete your shopping within 2 to 3 hours. Here are some beautiful flowers with wide range of color for home decorations. They also sell indoor and outdoor plants with wide variety of pots. They also have various options of outdoor furniture setup too. And finally, you can reach the self-serve furniture area followed by the billing section. And once you're done with your billing, you can grab something real quick at the Swedish bistro after the billing section. They have some options like pizzas, puffs and samosas, and also you can opt for unlimited hot or cold beverages. So the product tags tells you where to pick them up, self-serve or market hall. Both are on the ground floor. To navigate your way through the store, follow the map or direction boards or the arrows on the floor. Go to self-serve to pick up the flat packed furniture you chose in the showroom. Refer to the note you made from the product tag about the aisle and rack where it can be found. In market hall, you can pick up the home accessories that you like along your way. I hope you like this video. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Also check out the IKEA Bangalore Complete Tour Part 1 and the Swedish restaurant experience vlog on my channel. The links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. This is David signing off.